In this video, I'll show you how to check your Pinterest history. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone, or go to Pinterest in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account, especially if you use Pinterest with more than one email, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook account. Pinterest does not always show one single full history page for everything you have viewed, but there are a few places where you can check your recent activity. Start by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app. If you are using Pinterest on a computer, click your profile picture in the top right corner. On your profile, check your saved pins and boards. If you recently saved something, it should appear inside one of your boards. Open the board where you usually save that type of content, then scroll through the pins to find what you are looking for. Next, use the search bar. Type a keyword related to the pin, idea, product, recipe, outfit, or image you viewed. Pinterest may show similar results based on your recent activity and interests. You can also check your home feed. Pinterest often recommends pins based on what you recently searched, clicked, saved, or interacted with. Scroll through your feed and look for pins that look familiar. If you want to check your search history, tap the search icon. When the search page opens, Pinterest may show your recent searches under the search bar. You can tap any recent search to open those results again. If you are using Pinterest in a web browser, another helpful option is to check your browser history. Open your browser history and search for Pinterest. This can help you find pins, boards, or profiles you recently visited. To manage your Pinterest history, you can also go to your account settings and look for privacy, personalization, or tuning options. From there, you may be able to adjust how Pinterest uses your activity to recommend new content. And that's how you can check your Pinterest history and find pins or searches you recently viewed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.